Hello, this is Mary with Mobile Mowing and Snow Plowing. I am going to show you a little project we've been working on for a while. This is a 1975 F500 bucket truck. Heavy beast. Doesn't have any outriggers, you can see. This is old style. And it's obviously kind of a sad looking, not real pretty truck. But we are slowly working on getting it back to its glory days of sorts. The important thing for us, of course, is it works. The engine's a little rough. We're going to eventually work on that. My husband can get this beast started. There it goes. Fires up. The brakes have been overhauled. It's got new tires on it all around. And yeah, those are, for those of you that are interested, those are split rims. The hydraulics are working. And I'll be getting up in the bucket today and do a little work with some tree work around here. What it looks like I said, it's a little on the rough side, but it works. Everything works on it. And so we're gonna use this nice little arborist chain. I'm gonna use this nice little arborist chainsaw today. I love this little thing, the Steel MS-201T, designed by and for climbing arborists. So for me, since I don't have the upper body strength of some of the guys that work with us, it's a perfect little saw to work with. In any case, this is the restoration project that we're gonna keep working on and keep you updated on this 75 bucket truck as it starts looking a little better.